friends, would you like to see how I created this folded flip-up pocket? Welcome to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets, hosted by Cindy A. Lewis and myself. All right, some items that you're going to need for your folded flip-up pocket are going to be a decorative piece of paper, and I am going to use this vintage book page, and this was given to me by my friend Jennifer at Scrapbooks and Memories. You're going to want glue or tape, a scoring tool, and decorative items, brads, stickers, etc. The first thing you're going to want to do is take your 4x6 piece of paper and fold it in half. Now you're going to add glue to the back side of the paper, and of course adhere it to your base piece, your journal, whatever it is that you are working with. Now I want to decorate the front of this before I move forward, and I have this little tag. The colors work great with these colors, and it fits perfectly over top of the gold paper. So before I add it on though, I want to go ahead and ink around the edges. You know, I was wondering, should I put the flowers on the bottom or on the top? But you know, I think I'm going to leave them on the bottom because there's already so much busyness going on the top with the images of the kids in their Halloween costumes. If you'd like to, you can add a decorative element to keep your pocket closed, but mine is folded and it is staying closed pretty nicely. So I'm not going to worry about that part of it. And this is it, my friends. This is the folded flip-up pocket. Be sure to check out Cindy's channel today and see what she came up with. Thanks for watching. See you soon.